The first thing you're going to have to do for your online exhibition project is decide on a topic. Of course, you'll probably have a lot of brainstorming sessions with your own friends, that kind of thing, and you may have an idea of what kinds of art interest you from the lectures, from these discussion sessions, or from the readings. But if you don't, and even if you have a starting point, it might be helpful to access the Grove Art Online Art Encyclopedia. This is probably the most widely used resource where art historians start their basic research process. So it's a good idea to begin there, whether or not you have a topic or not. Although there are ways to get through this just through Google, the best version of Grove Art Online is through the library catalog. To find the Grove Art catalog, go to the main library website at library.wisc.edu. This will take you to the front page where you'll see this basic search box. The first step that you need to do is choose Databases from the pull-down menu. Type in Grove Art, hit the return key, and see what comes up. The second hit that you'll see here is Grove Art Online. It explains a little bit here about what the database contains. We won't do that today, but if you want more information, you can go in there. We'll go ahead and click on the link, and it will take us to the Grove Art Online Dictionary. What you see pop up now is actually a screen showing you how to access this from home. You will have to log in with your NetID, and it'll take you through a series of steps if you're accessing this catalog from home, as many of you will be. After that step, you'll have to use your NetID and password. It will take you into the online dictionary itself. The search box, as you see, is here in the upper right-hand corner. And you'll see that it's not called Grove Art Online, but Oxford Art Online, because Grove is actually part of Oxford Art Online. You can do all kinds of searches here, depending on what you want to research. As I said, it's a full art encyclopedia, and it's very expansive in terms of what it covers. If it was actually printed out, it's estimated that it would take up to 6 feet of shelving space, and that should indicate to you how thorough it is. You can experiment at first with just a wide variety of terms. You can search by artist name, by the movement, such as Baroque, Renaissance, something like that. You can search concepts, such as portraiture, or perspective, those kinds of things. You can even search by countries. We're going to do just a quick search to see some of the features that are important. I'm going to type in Picasso, obviously a well-known modern artist, and see what pops up using the Grove Art search box here. So all of these things come up. There's obviously more than one Picasso. The one we're interested in is Pablo, the main one, and here it says that there's a lengthy biography. If we click on the link there, it will bring up an article that contains some basic information. A few things to point out here include that there is an article table of contents on the left that take you through a wide variety of things, ranging from his life to his working methods and technique. If you go to the bottom, you'll see there's an extensive bibliography. You might want to write some of those sources down. They could prove helpful for your research project. You can see it highlights the search term within the article itself, and if you're lucky, the article will have images in there as well. So if you were interested in doing an exhibition on Picasso and working on one artist as a possibility, Grove Art might be an excellent place to start. So make sure you take down notes from your search, print it out if it's relevant. Again, you don't have to search just artist names. You can search all kinds of things, including concepts, art genres or types of art. You can search again by country. So if you search Netherlands, for example, it will summarize the art and art production of that country through its history, usually divided up into different periods. So this is a really good place to start. You can also search subject matter, and hopefully after some working through the functionality of it, you'll be able to arrive at a topic for your online exhibition.